Hello and welcome back. I'm currently in the office and it's a pretty big mess from all the Christmas orders that I shipped out. I took over shipping for my brother's Etsy shop, so I have all his products here. The room is just a little chaotic and we need to clean things up. And also, I'm not loving where the desk is. I feel like you come in and you're immediately hit with the desk. And it's an L-shaped desk, so it's already a bigger desk. So I think I'm gonna move it to the corner and see if I like that. I was going to separate the two tables and make one long table, but before I take it all apart, I'm gonna try to put a corner in the corner and see how that is. Some plants need watered and cleaned up, trimmed a bit, and yeah, I just want to get things a little bit more organized so you can get through the room. So I figured I would take you along with me. I am gonna start by moving the desk, so I'm gonna get my headphones on, listen to some music, and start getting some stuff moved. I also wanted to add that the new Painting State of Mind shirts are in, and they are in the shop. So they're this darker gray color, and the gradient goes from black to white and then back to black. So if you are a painter as well and are looking for a nice comfy sweater for while you paint, these are in the shop. I feel like I just hit that cleaning stage where I'm like, what in the world was I thinking? But it's looking good so far. I like where the desk is. I also have this table moved. So this table over here is moved in the corner. So we're getting there. It's still a mess though. Here is the giant mess. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here for right now. I still have a lot to organize, but so far I like how it's all set up. So I'm going to go make dinner and I will get this organized here in a bit. So we are on day 2 of this office makeover. It's almost there. I just have some organizing to do, and then I'll show you how it all came together. I love my giant marble queen, but I think it's time for a haircut. And then I can start another plant from it. It's been a while since I trimmed it anyway. So yeah, let's trim it. I grabbed 3 bases. So now I'm just going to figure out what length I want these to be. And we'll pop these in the water. I will have to watch it and make sure it doesn't get too cold in the window, but for right now, I think that is where it's gonna go. And I think for right now, the big one is just gonna hang out here on the desk with the rest of these guys. So that is it for the little office makeover. I'm sure some things will change here and there as I figure out the placement a little bit better, but right now I love it 10 times more than what it was. I like that when you come into the room, you're not hit immediately with the desk. You can actually move around in here. So I'm very excited. Next we'll have to do a little studio tour because I don't paint in here, but I do all my packing in here. Eventually the computer will come in here. So yeah. That is it for today's video. Again, if you like these sweatshirts, I clearly live in mine and they're very, very comfortable. They are available now in the shop. And that being said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.